How to install deepSeek as a desktop app on Windows and Mac 2026. Did you know you can run deepSeek AI as a fully dedicated desktop app on both Windows and Mac completely for free? With its own window, taskbar icon, and no browser tabs getting in the way. In this video, I am going to teach you two methods to get deepSeek running as a desktop app in 2026. One using the official progressive web app method, and one using the deepSeek GUI desktop client for power users. Let us start with method 1, which is the quickest and easiest option for most people and works on both Windows and Mac. Step 1. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your Windows PC or Mac and go to chat.deepseek.com. Sign in to your deepSeek account or create a free one if you do not have one yet. Step 2. On Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, hover over Cast Save and Share, and then click Install Page as App. On Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu, click Apps, and then select Install this site as an app. Step 3. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the app. Type deepSeek and click Install. deepSeek will instantly open in its own dedicated window, completely separate from your browser tabs. A shortcut will be added to your desktop, your Start menu on Windows, or your Applications folder and dock on Mac. Step 4. From now on, open deepSeek anytime by double-clicking the desktop icon or searching for it in your Start menu or Spotlight search on Mac. It runs exactly like a native app with full access to deepSeek V4 Pro and V4 Flash, the 1 million token context window, deep research mode, and all other features available on the web platform. Now for method 2, which is the deepSeek GUI desktop client. This is the better option if you are a developer, a power user, or someone who wants to run deepSeek locally with more control over your workflow. Step 1. Search for deepSeek GUI by FireThering on Google and go to the official FireThering website to download the installer. It is available for both Windows and Mac. Step 2. On Windows, download the .exe installer file, run it, and follow the setup wizard. On Mac, download the .dmg file, open it, and drag deepSeek GUI into your Applications folder. Then launch the application. Step 3. When you open deepSeek GUI for the first time, you will be prompted to enter your deepSeek API key. To get your API key, go to platform.deepseek.com, sign in, and navigate to the API keys section. Create a new key and copy it. Paste it into deepSeek GUI and click Confirm. Step 4. Choose or create a workspace inside the app. deepSeek GUI organizes your work into workspaces so you can keep coding projects, writing tasks, and automation workflows completely separate from each other. Step 5. Start using deepSeek GUI. The app gives you three main modes. Code mode is for AI-assisted coding, code review, and debugging. Write mode is for drafting documents, content, and written work. And Connect mode links your phone to the desktop client for a more connected workflow. All your interactions run through deepSeek V4 Pro or V4 Flash, depending on which model you select in the settings. Now, one important thing to note. deepSeek GUI is a third-party application built by FireThering and is not an official product made by deepSeek itself. It uses the official deepSeek API to function, so your conversations are still processed through deepSeek servers. Always download it from the official FireThering website and never from unofficial or unknown sources. Now here is your pro tip. If you use the progressive web app method and want deepSeek to launch automatically every time you start your computer, right-click the deepSeek shortcut on your desktop, go to Properties. Then the Shortcut tab and add it to your startup programs. On Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then Login Items, and add the deepSeek app. This way deepSeek is always open and ready the moment your computer boots up, just like any other essential desktop tool. So to recap, for the quickest setup, use Chrome or Edge to install deepSeek as a progressive web app from chat.deepseek.com. For a more powerful developer-focused experience, download deepSeek GUI from FireThering, enter your API key, set up your workspace, and start working across code, write, and connect modes. If this video helped you get deepSeek running as a desktop app, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool guides. And drop a comment below telling me which method you used and what you are using deepSeek for. See you in the next one.